Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. So the case against the man accused of raping and murdering a 6-year-old girl, that's Amantle Samane, in Soweto had been postponed. In fact, Mozambican national Pethe Simiao was arrested, you might remember, last year. He's facing charges of kidnapping, rape, murder and being in contravention of the Immigration Act. Watching developments for us is SABC News reporter Dludla, who joins us now live. And Kelvin, the obvious question is why there's been yet another postponement in this case.
Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to our viewers at home. One of the reasons is that there is no docket in this court. I spoke to some legal personnel here who explained to me that there is no docket rather here, and they were not aware that there is no docket here. So the case has been postponed to the 24th of February 2025. You would remember the case, a sensitive case that we are talking about. Amantle Samane, a 6-year-old girl that was raped and brutally killed, and the suspect, as you have mentioned, is Pethe Simiao, a Mozambican national. We were told when we started to cover this case around October last year that Simiao is suspected that he took Amantle when Amantle was playing with other kids, and then he led him to his shack, and that is where this tragic incident took place. Her mother, talking to SABC News, you would remember that she was crying uncontrollably, so telling SABC News what she saw when she went to that shack, telling SABC News that she saw her daughter lying down half naked, and she didn't believe, that her daughter has died. She even asked people to come with water so that she can be able to pour that water to her daughter's face so that the daughter can wake up. But unfortunately Amantle died, and there was some issues and challenges, and people were blaming police officers, saying that they are not working, they are corrupt. That is why the case was supposed to be taking place at Orlando, a magistrate court where the incident took place, but the case had to move to here because the community members of Orlando, Eastern Orlando, Soweto as a whole, were very angry about this. But the case today has been postponed. You would remember that my colleague Neria Shakusa came here on the 3rd of December 2024 when the suspect appeared, and we were told that the case would be postponed to today for further investigation. Even today, the case has been postponed again, to the 24th of February. But today, the accused was not here. Pethe Simiao did not arrive here physically, so he appeared through AVR, your audio visual recording, at the Johannesburg Correctional Center, known as Sun City. But you would know now that he abandoned his bail application, and I'm with his legal representatives here they will be able to explain more on us. Advocate Masindi, thank you very much for your time. You can tell us about the postponement of this case and the legalities of that.
Thank you so much. I was very much disappointed to learn that the decision from the DPP was not ready today, because on the previous appearance we postponed the matter until today for the decision from the DPP to take the decision as to whether the matter will remain here in regional court or whether the matter will go to high court. But today when you arrive here, they are saying the DPP decision is not ready, and at one stage the prosecutor was also asking postponement for further investigations. That is why I indicated to the court that no, on the last occasion the state indicated that investigations are complete in this matter. So now they are postponing for the DPP decision again.
Why do you think they are postponing or causing delays?
I really don't understand, because the last time when we were here it was on the 3rd of December, and which means it's almost a month and a half just for taking a DPP decision. And also the issue of docket in court, not before court, I don't know, because the state stays with the docket, and the state knew that the matter is coming to court today, but no docket, no decision. So it's delay on the side of the accused person. I think the accused is being prejudiced now because it's unnecessary delay. because just to bring the docket to court is easy. They have all the resources to bring the docket. So I don't understand why the docket is not before court. I don't understand why the decision from the DPP is not yet taken.
You can tell me, I remember last day when I was covering this case here at the Protea Magistrate Court rather, we saw the accused, your client, limping, and he claimed that he was beaten by prison wardens at the Johannesburg Correctional Center, known as Sun City. And when we spoke before the court proceedings, you told me that you want to sue.
Yes, it's my instruction from my client that I even went to consult with him. Then he indicated that he was assaulted by prison warders at Johannesburg prison, known as Sun City. And he also indicated that when he came to court for his appearance here in court, he couldn't even stand up to come to appear or to enter the accused dock until they called the paramedics to come to revive him here in the court building, in the cells. So he also indicated that the assault did not only started there in prison, he was also assaulted at Orlando police station the day he was arrested.
Assaulted by who?
It's my instruction that he was assaulted by the police officers who detained him at Orlando police station. Then after that he came here for his first appearance. Then he was taken to Sun City prison. That is when he was also assaulted by the prison warders.
Badly assaulted?
Badly assaulted, and that is why he couldn't even walk to court to attend until they called the paramedics to revive him here in the court building. So the injuries, I even noticed the injuries. I got chance to look at the injuries, they were very bad.
So now you are suing the state?
We must remember that everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty, irrespective of the type of offense that one is facing. That is why we are here in court today, to attend court so that the court can take a decision as to whether someone is guilty or not. But if someone takes the law into his own hands and assault the accused for what is alleged that he has done, is wrong, because his rights are violated, and we expect that when he's detained there in prison, he needs to be protected like anyone else. He must not get treatment which differs from others. So that is why I'm also disappointed that he was assaulted and he's badly injured. I have seen.
Thank you very much. Let me also introduce Advocate Lindiwe Vilakazi. Thank you very much for your time. We saw through AVR, your audiovisual recording, the suspect today is neat and clean, is walking and fresh. Did you consult him? When last did you speak to him? He looks fine.
Thank you so much for that question, Kelvin. Yes, we did go to consult him last week. He's okay. We spoke to him and then we explained about the ups and downs of the cases and what is to transpire. Yes, thank you so much.
And now let's talk about the docket. Now, you told me that the docket was supposed to be here, and you are surprised now that the docket is not here. It's the first time that the docket is not here. And what will happen then if maybe for 3 times now the docket is not here?
Thank you for that question so much, Kelvin. I am so disappointed that the docket is not here today. However, should the docket not be here 3 times, we have no choice but to request the court to withdraw the matter. Yes, yes.
So why do you think the docket is not here? Do you think it's missing?
I really don't know. I really don't know why the docket is not here, because the state really, it's their duty to bring the docket to court on this day. So I really don't know what's happening. But since the matter has been postponed to the 24th of February, then we'll see what's going to emerge, what's going to transpire on that day, whether the docket will be here or not.
I don't know whether this question would be fair, because the court is still in procession. So you can tell me, do you think you're going to win? You might win this case?
Kelvin, I really cannot put that on record right now, because the matter is still sub judice. So we will see as the court unfolds, the matter unfolds.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much, Kelvin.
Okay, thank you very much. That is Lindiwe Vilakazi represents Pethe Simiao. Pethe Simiao is the suspect is the one who is suspected of brutally killing Amantle Samane from Orlando East, a 6-year-old that was brutally killed last year in October. They are saying that they are disappointed that the docket is not here, Ayanda, and now they were not told that the docket is not here. They are confused now because the docket was supposed to be here. We'll remember, as I have mentioned, that Neria was here on the 3rd of December last year, and you would see today is the 27th of January. So that would mean that there's a length of time that the break took, so they don't know why the docket is not here. So they are saying if the docket is not here 3 consecutive times, they would then apply for the court to take this case out of the court roll. So we will see and monitor the situation. I saw Pindim Jonondwane there. As you can see, Pindim Jonondwane, the NPA spokesperson, is also there, and she will be here for the longest time. We will try to engage her to come and comment on behalf of the National Prosecuting Authority. I know very well that Pindim Jonondwane is also here for another case. I'm talking about a case of Mahotso Mfukeng, known as Gogo Maweni. Our colleagues Monique Lewis are here to attend that case. We will try to engage Pindim Jonondwane so that you can get a comment from the NPA. But for now, back to you in studio.
All right, and we look forward to getting the NPA side of the story. For now, Calvin Dludla, live to us there from the Protea Magistrates Court. It's in Soweto. Thanks very much indeed.